Before you scroll away or click on another video, hang on for just a second and ask yourself, how can I be sure my air fryer is actually safe and worth it? Stick with me till the end, because what you're about to learn is something most people in the US completely miss, and it could save you time, money, and frustration. You know that feeling when you finally get that kitchen gadget everyone's raving about, and a couple weeks later it's just sitting there collecting dust? Yeah, that's the air fryer story for a lot of folks. We all buy into the hype. Crispy fries, juicy wings, no oil, no guilt, but reality? Not always that picture-perfect TikTok meal. The fries come out soggy, cleanup's a hassle, and your must-have gadget turns into another countertop paperweight. But here's the truth. It's not the air fryer's fault. Most of the disappointment comes from a few common buying mistakes that are totally avoidable. So today, we're breaking down the 7 biggest mistakes people make when buying an air fryer in the US, and how to avoid them like a pro. Mistake number 1. Buying the wrong size, the tiny but mighty myth. Alright, picture this. You just bought a cute little air fryer because it looked sleek and perfect for small kitchens. You toss in a handful of fries, hit start, and realize you'll need 3 more batches to feed everyone. That's mistake number 1, size mismatch. A 2-quart model might look adorable, but it's barely enough for one person. Meanwhile, a jumbo 10-quart one can hog half your counter space. Think about who you're cooking for. If it's just you or you and a partner, aim for 3.5 to 5 quarts. Got kids or love hosting game nights? Go 6 quarts and up. The right size saves you time, frustration, and a whole lot of reheating. Mistake number 2, assuming all air fryers fry the same way. Here's where things get tricky. 2 air fryers can look identical, cost about the same, and still cook totally differently. Ever wonder why one person's wings come out crispy gold while yours look half-baked and sad? That's usually because of airflow and heating design. Cheaper models might have a single heating element and weak air circulation, which means uneven cooking. The sweet spot? Look for around 1,500 watts of power and designs that mention rapid air circulation or dual heating. Think of it like this: a good air fryer isn't about more buttons, it's about better air movement. That's what gives you those crispy edges without babysitting the basket every 5 minutes. Mistake number 3, falling for fancy gimmicks. Okay, let's talk about that touchscreen model that flashes like a spaceship. Sure, it looks cool, but here's the plot twist. Those flashy features rarely make your food taste better. Voice control, built-in apps, recipe screens, they're nice to haves, but not deal makers. What really matters is performance, consistent heat, simple controls, and reliability. Some of the best rated air fryers are the ones with plain old knob. They preheat faster, last longer, and don't glitch out when your Wi-Fi drops. So skip the gimmicks. You want an air fryer that cooks, not one that tries to join your smart home ecosystem. And speaking of skipping things, mistake number 4, ignoring the cleaning reality. You know what kills the air fryer love faster than soggy fries? Cleaning it. If you've ever spent 10 minutes trying to scrape out crumbs from a greasy basket, you know the pain. Here's the deal. If it's not easy to clean, you won't use it. So, before you buy, check if the basket and tray are dishwasher safe and non-stick coated. Removable baskets that actually fit in your sink? You'll thank yourself later when cleaning takes 30 seconds instead of 30 minutes. Once you've nailed easy cleaning, let's talk about something most people don't even consider. Mistake number 5, forgetting about noise and counter space. You finally find the perfect air fryer until you turn it on and it sounds like a hair dryer taking off. Yep, some of them are that loud. Or worse, it's so bulky that your cabinet door can't open when it's sitting on the counter. Before buying, check the dimensions. Seriously, measure your counter space and overhead clearance. If you live in an apartment or share a small kitchen, noise and space will make or break your experience. Think of your air fryer as a roommate. You want one that fits in, not one that takes over. Mistake number 6, ignoring the temperature range. Here's something even seasoned buyers miss. Not all air fryers get hot enough. Some max out at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Sounds fine until you try to crisp up frozen fries or roast veggies and wonder why they look steamed. A solid air fryer should go up to at least 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the best ones even higher. The wider the range, the more you can do, like baking, roasting, and dehydrating. Temperature control isn't just about power, it's about consistency. A fryer that maintains even heat gives you that perfect crunch every single time. And speaking of lasting perfection, mistake number 7, ignoring warranty and brand reputation. It's easy to be tempted by off-brand air fryers with too good to be true prices. But here's the catch. If something breaks, you're out of luck. Air fryers have heating elements, fans, and circuits that take a beating. You want a brand that stands behind their product. Companies like Ninja, Cuisinart, and Kosori have solid warranties. Spending a few extra bucks up front often saves you from buying another one 6 months later. At the end of the day, here's the truth. An air fryer isn't magic. It's a tool. It won't turn you into a gourmet chef overnight, but it will make cooking faster, cleaner, and more fun if you buy the right one. To save yourself the headache, we've handpicked 5 best air fryers for US homes. Check this video here. Thank you.